Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetstreet.com, and today we are going to do a camera review of the Nokia Lumia 720. Here we have the device with us, and this device has got a 6.7 megapixel camera at the back with LED flash, and you have a front camera over here. It is a 1.3 megapixel camera, but it is capable of doing a video chat at 720p at 30 frames per second. If we talk about the back camera is also capable of recording high definition video at 720p at 30 frames per second. And let me just show you the camera interface before I show you some photo samples. So here we have the camera interface on Nokia Lumia 720. If we take a look over the options on this particular interface, let's go to the photo settings. Under photo settings, you have different scenes which you can specify the kind of environment in which you are taking the photo. So if you specify night mode as the photo mode, it will take photos much better as compared to the auto mode. And you can also increase the ISO. You can take it up to 800. Then you have the exposure value which you can increase and decrease. You have the white balance which you can specify over here, and the aspect ratio by default is 16:9. You can specify it to 4:3 as well, and you can make sure whether you would like to see the focus assist lamp turn on or off. So basically the LED flash over here, whenever in case you don't want to use the LED flash, it will act as a focus assist lamp, so that it will help the camera to focus on a specific object even in case you don't want the flash to be turned on and you are taking some photos in low light. If I go to the video settings over here, under video settings you do have the white balance, you have the continuous focus on, which is on by default, and the video mode allows you to record the video at two qualities: high quality, that is 720p, and then you can also record the video at standard quality WVGA resolution. And if I actually show you the video mode, this is how you can enable the video mode on the device. Just tap here to start the recording and tap again to stop the recording, which is again pretty nice. And if we take a look over here, you have the front camera. So this is how the front camera quality will look like. So how the quality of the video will look like when you do a video chat using the front camera on this device. I would say this quality is pretty good as compared to the other devices which falls in the same price segment. And if you tap over here, it will go to the back camera view again, and under the back camera view we have some more options. Here we can actually enable and disable the focus assist lamp, and here you can actually access different lenses which will allow you to take photos using different modes. For example, Smart Shoot will allow you to remove certain objects from the photos which are moving. Cinemagram will allow you to animate certain objects in the same photo. You have a panorama lens as well, with which you will be able to take the panorama photos. You have Nokia Glammy, in which you can take a self-portrait shot and then you can enhance the overall colors and everything in that particular photo. You do have the Bing Vision, which will allow you to scan a particular document and save it as text. Talking about the low light capabilities of this device is pretty good when it comes to taking photos in low light. And let me just remove the artificial light which we have right now on this photo, and let me just take a photo of my iPhone 5 right now. First of all, let me go to the photo mode. So if I take this photo right now, so I haven't used flash in this photo, but the flash has actually acted as focus assist lamp. And if I zoom in, the photo is pretty good in terms of the overall color reproduction as well as in terms of the details. This photo is pretty good. I can read the text which is there on the screen, which is very minute, and it doesn't have much light falling on it. So let me just show you some of the camera samples which we have taken in low light again. So this is a photo which we have taken in low light. If I talk about the overall colors in this particular photo, the colors looks pretty good, as well as the object in the photo are looking pretty nice in terms of the overall clarity. But when I actually zoom in the photo, I do not see much details in this particular photo. I see certain amount of noise in these photos. And these are some other photos which have been again captured in low light, as you can see. So this photo is again captured in low light, and let me just show you some of the photos. So this photo again has been captured in low light, and it looks pretty bright, because if I actually show you the same photo on iPhone 5 which I captured at the same time, you can compare both of these photos together. So that this is how the photo looks like on iPhone 5 at the same time which I captured, and this is how it looks like on Nokia Lumia 720. So again, it looks much better on Nokia Lumia 720, as you can easily notice. So in low light, Nokia Lumia 720 camera performs pretty well as compared to the other devices like iPhone 5. So this is another photo sample, and here we have another photo samples. So this photo has been captured without flash, and this is how it looks like with flash. So when it comes to using flash, the photo becomes much more clear in terms of the details. Take the same photo without flash, you will see certain amount of noise when it comes to details of the object which are there in that. So you can see the remaining photo samples captured in daylight as well as in low light from the Nokia Lumia 720 back camera in the remaining part of this video, and do let us know your views on that. This is Abhishek, and as you can see right now we are recording this video in daylight, and we have the video stabilization on this device on Nokia Lumia 720, and this is how the video looks like. Let me just try focusing on a specific object by taking the camera closer, so it focuses automatically. One thing which I don't like about Windows Phone is that if you tap on the screen to focus on a specific object, if it is not focusing, it will stop the video. So it handles the change in the overall light quite fast, as you can see. Let me just try to focus on this specific object. So the camera focuses the object pretty quickly, but you have to take the camera closer to the object, and this is how the overall video quality looks like when it comes to daylight on Nokia Lumia 720. I'm recording this video right now on Nokia Lumia 720 to test out the overall capability of this device when it comes to recording a video in low light, and this is how the video looks like. There is very little light, and it is evening right now, as you can see, and the view which I can see on the phone display is actually pretty good, much better than the other devices which I have seen. So this is how the video will look like when you record it in low light on Nokia Lumia 720 from the back camera. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Q.